Hi all, for Andy here. Right, new from Iceland. 2 hot honey king kebabs. £4.50. New. I see these and I thought, oh, yeah, hot honey king kebabs. I did a Greek one a couple of weeks ago or so from, well, longer than that, wasn't it? From Aldi, which was £5.49. You get loads of meat like that. So yeah, let's get down and have a little look at it. Right, Iceland, 2 hot honey king kebabs with hot honey sauce cooked from frozen. 3 chilli rating there, as you see. Ideal for the barbecue. 3 days fridge life, that must be if that's thawed out, I would think. Ideal for the barbecue, as we said. Just went out as frozen, the best before. Not for sale in the EU. Flip it over. Ways to cook. For best results, cooked from frozen. The following instructions are guidelines only. Wash hands, utensils and all surfaces thoroughly after handling raw meat or poultry and all packaging. Do not wash poultry before cooking to ensure the product is fully cooked. Cook raw poultry until product is piping hot throughout. Yeah, check the juices run clear. Right. Yeah, common sense. You can see that there. Right, oven cooked from frozen 1 hour 5 minutes. That's based on the whole pack there. We defrost it for 24 hours in the fridge. This is frozen. That only take you 45 minutes. I'm doing this in the air fryer oven anyway, so yeah, probably take around about an hour, 50 minutes, something like that. 50 minutes to an hour. Oven from defrost, as I said, 45 minutes, based on the whole pack. If you're barbecuing it, then yeah, obviously defrost it first. Wrap exposed skewers with foil. Yeah, you can see all that. Check before serving, blah, blah, blah. Right, let's get over to ingredients, which is here. It's chicken leg at 72%. Water, honey with spices, 10%. You can see everything was there on the ingredients. I can't actually see any allergens jumping out there at all. Although every effort has been made to remove all bones, some may remain as 500 grams there. Nutritional information is there. Anyone want to take a look at it? Bit of storage instructions there. Promise 3 days fresh life. Once defrosted, you can keep me in the fridge for 3 days before using. Yeah, scan to discover more information. PL, bit of Poland there. 2 hot honey kebabs, boneless, skinless, frozen chicken leg with added water in a marinade with honey and spices on a wooden skewer with a sachet of hot honey sauce with spices. So the meat is already spiced up, then you got this hot honey sauce, I reckon, in a sachet. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, and that's about it really. Yeah, that'll do. No more information. Right, let's get these things open and have a look at it. Right, so pull this open. This is what we are getting. Now, it don't look so much meat basically as the one I got from Aldi that time, but we'll see. Right, let's just remove out a wrapper, remove the film lid, which we're going to do. Never come off in one, but hey ho. And remove the sachet of sauce, so you get this hot honey paprika sauce. So we'll try that, and that is what we have. Right, so I am going to get this in the air fry oven and going to cook this up. And you can see that there, look, that's what we're getting. And turn it over halfway through, and yeah, have a little test. We've got some I think we've got, not wraps, what did we get? Some pita bread pockets, I think, for this. So we'll have that with it, and yeah, go from there. So I will catch you when this is done, and we'll have a taste test, as I say, and yeah, See what the thing is all about. Just get you up there a minute. Right. Get that in the oven. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go for a shave because my face is itching. So next time you see me, I'll be clean shaven. Right, catch you in a bit. Right, there we go. The king kebab, I've got one. Over here, salad, some fries. They're the McCain's little fries. I like matched also. That's that, and that is Kay's one. As you can see there. So over there. Yeah, so there we go. Right, let's have a taste test of it and see what it's like. Right, I just took a little bit off the end there. We've got some of these nice soft pita pockets. We're gonna just put that kebab in there at the moment. We've got one each. We want a taste test with this. And we also got, obviously, this hot honey sauce. Now, I'm not going to put it over the kebab. I'm going to put a little bit on the side of the plates to see what it's like. And if that's nice. So we don't want to wreck anything. Put a little bit on Kay's. We have got hot honey here if we need it. Right, so here we go then. Let's get you good people up here. That's the two. Put that light out a minute. Here's Kay. She's there. Say hi, Kay.
Hi.
I would actually say hi, Kay. That's right. Right, Iceland hot honey kebabs. Right, just try that kebab on its own to see what it's like. That's made of chicken leg. Oh, nice that, isn't it?
Quite nice, yeah.
Oh, that is. That is really nice. Got a little tingly warm bit in it. Now, we ain't put any sauce on that.
Not yet.
No, but that is really good. Wow. Now, I was thinking, well, you don't get a lot of meat here like you do the Aldi one, but then the Aldi one was, how much was that, $5.79 was it, or $5.49, I don't know. We'll try a little bit of that hot honey sauce on it. That's,
Of course.
warmth, isn't it? I've got some kick, of course, got some kick in that hot honey sauce, but that is lovely. That is really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, I'm going to have some of my kebab. I don't know if you want any on.
I'll have a little bit.
I'm not going to go mad, because that's really hot. You want the whole packet on, Kay?
No, that'll do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That little pack of sauce is really nice, and of course got a kick to it. So
I'm putting a bit of salad in.
you can do, you put in what you like. Just going to try this. Hold that over a bit. That is delicious, isn't it? We'll stomp my chips up. Oh, that is delicious. That is really nice. Wow. Got some McCain's fries there. But got these for our grandson, but he's not that keen on them. Not right. Bit like Matchstalks, isn't he?
Yeah.
Well, I reckon that's blinding, that. The flavour of that, the hot honey, even with the hot honey sauce on it, that's got a fantastic taste.
Yeah, it has.
Absolutely brilliant. Do you want to give that a 10 out of 10 for taste? I don't know about you, Kay, but
Yeah.
I'm straight in there. That is gorgeous.
Yeah, I'd give it.
I want to get some of the old salad in it as well.
10.
In the kebab. Bit of nice tomato and everything. And just go for it, because that is...
I've got him healthy.
That's that Saturday every other day. That is banging. Yeah. Try that. Now, you're going to get them two kebabs. You don't expect stacks of meat like you got from Aldi. But would you have that again?
Yeah.
I would. Yeah.
Yeah.
Too right, I would. That is...
It's just enough meat for me.
That is absolutely
If
banging.
you
That
want
is...
more meat, you'll have to go
Well,
for Aldi's.
Well, yeah, they don't do a hot honey one though, do they?
No.
Well, I suppose you could do your own with some nice chicken thigh fillets or something. Or even chicken drum fillets would be nice on that.
Yeah.
And get a marination. I'll have to see if I can get one together. But that's brilliant. Well done, Iceland. That is honestly fantastic. 10 out of 10 from both of us.
Yeah.
Go try some. Right, we're off to enjoy this. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried it yet? That's lovely. If you're a big eater, you could do 2 of them easy and everything.
One would be enough. I mean,
For you, it wouldn't it?
the whole box would be if you're a big eater.
Well, not even a big eater. I mean, I could do 2 of them out of that box easy, but I've got chips with little fries, bit of salad and everything else, and that'd make the meal up. But yeah, I'm well impressed with that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Honestly, go get some. That's brilliant.
Bye.
Cheers.